How to use voucher code in Grabfood. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use voucher code in Grabfood. Firstly, open the Grab mobile application. Now select the restaurant to get your food from. You will find cafes and restaurants in the suggestions, or you can also search for your favorite restaurant. After that, select the food that you want to order. You can also customize your order by adding drinks and side orders to it. Once you're done, tap on the Add to Basket button. Next, set your delivery address. After that, scroll down and tap on Use Offers to get discounts. Then, you'll be asked to add the voucher code that you want to use for this order. After that, your order will be confirmed. That's how you can use the Grabfood voucher code. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.